Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Where is that material I sent you for? Acha, acha. No. Where is that material? FX relationship marketing. मिल गया.
Mhm.
Yeah. Good afternoon or good morning around this time only. Yeah. Now,
Yes, sir.
your interview is going to be on which date?
Sir, it is tomorrow, sir, morning,
Best
9:30.
wishes. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Now, you have a rich experience in a private sector bank in the role of, say, relationship officer for foreign exchange business itself.
Yes, sir.
And now you would like to join our Bank of Baroda in scale 2.
Yes, sir.
Regarding canvassing of foreign exchange business, is there any difference in approach that you may have to adopt as compared to domestic advances?
Yes, sir.
Do
Definitely.
you get my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Definitely, sir. There is a different approach when we are approaching these trade clients who are into export and import business, since they are dealing with overseas buyers and suppliers. So the risk mitigation, like risk management, is also separate when it comes to domestic business. And accordingly, when we are approaching domestic business, we usually approach them for normal savings and currents accounts in which the our exposure is to our domestic currency only, whereas here our exposure is for a foreign currency in which they are trading. So accordingly, we have to give them a specialized service, like suggesting them when they should convert their receivables or payables, if there any hedging option available, like booking a forward contract. Then we have to advise them for that as well, which we don't do usually with the domestic customers. And we have to keep them updated with the international market news and alerts pertaining to fluctuation in foreign currency, so that they can take timely position when it comes to converting their receivables or payables when it comes to exporters. So accordingly, we have to advise them and keep them in touch, so that this profile is basically based on services only, and if they are happy with the services, then only there will be client retention also. So this way, sir, I see this profile differently from normal account.
Good. Can you please tell me what are the basic principles of relationship marketing? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir. Sir, basic principles of relationship marketing is like increasing the overall lifetime cycle value of customer by giving them additional products also. And usually, when it comes to a forex client, a trade client, they usually don't shift to other banks since they have their banking details given to overseas suppliers. So here we have this cross-selling opportunities also. And other than that, sir,
You have to tell about
mhm,
customer acquisition,
mhm.
relationship development, customer retention, cross-selling and upselling, customer advocacy, like this. It is applicable in any other relationship. Same points will apply here also.
Okay, sir.
These are there in page number 2 or 3 of the material I have given.
Okay, sir. Okay.
That is, yeah. What do you understand by customer segmentation and targeted relationship strategies?
Sir, customer segmentation means dividing customers into various into various segments, such as in my portfolio, I used to divide customers based on their turnover, like high turnover clients, medium turnover, and low turnover clients. And accordingly, it is the segmentation is also done based on demography of customer, the requirement of customer, whether like what all facilities they need. Based on that, age group is also used to divide the customers into say different segments, and accordingly we can provide them with the tailored services or suited most suitable product, so that their needs which they are looking for is satisfied. And in
Have you
targeted.
have you had any experience in giving some loyalty programs and all in banks? Do banks do this? Do they offer some loyalty programs, like some concessions being given for customers who are transacting with us for 1 year, 2 years, like that? Is there any such procedure?
Yes, sir. We had this loyalty program in which we were giving a favorable exchange rate to our existing clients, which were having a relationship with us for more than 3 years. Apart from that, I was also giving them a favorable exchange rate. Suppose if I am reducing their exchange rate by 1 or 2 paisa, which suppose if we are charging 5 paisa to them, and if I am reducing the margin spread by 2 paisa and it is now 3 paisa. So based on a commitment to increase their turnover by a certain percentage, and I used to assign a quarterly target also, like if you have to increase your turnover by say 30%, then 10% should be achieved in Q1, another 10% should be in Q2, and remaining 10% they can achieve in Q3 or Q4. So accordingly I used to reduce this exchange margin.
Hmm, good. So by giving them concessional rates in this loyalty program, you try to retain them with you. Correct.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What are the strategic benefits and long-term value creation for the bank in terms of this relationship marketing? Can we not do away with the, I mean, can we not run without relationship marketing officers? And what role do they play in increasing the profit or income or the business of the bank?
So relationship marketing is very much crucial when it comes to dealing with HNI clients. And with this relationship marketing, we tend to increase the overall life cycle value of the client. Suppose if a relationship manager is having good terms with the client, then apart from the product which the client has opted for from our bank, we can also pitch them and cross sell them other products and services, related products and services, which can add to the fee income of the client, fee income of the bank. So here the customer is also satisfied, because anyway, if someone is having a trade facilities with our bank, he must be having their savings accounts, family accounts, and other accounts with different banks also, deposits. So by conversing these facilities and giving them insurance products also, he will be having insurance products from other banks. So if we can convert all this business which he is having in different banks, and we can maximize and direct this business to our bank, we can increase the name of our bank, and we can also increase the fee income of our bank, and this way the client retention will also increase.
Yeah. Now, can you tell me, based on your experience in this relationship marketing for foreign exchange, now, how do you want to summarize and tell briefly about what is relationship marketing in FX, how is it to be done, why it is to be done, when is it to be done, and then who are the important personalities in this? Some 7 Ws, like when, what, where, which, how, who, something like that. ये
Hmm.
सबको हमको बता दीजिए.
Okay, sir.
What is relationship marketing in
Mhm.
FIS?
Okay. Sir, when it comes to relationship marketing is different from transactional marketing. So when we are dealing with trade clients, relationship marketing comes into place because it is not just that we are facilitating them on a transaction to transaction basis. We need continuous business from them. So here transactional marketing won't work. We have to maintain relationship and good terms with the client to have a continuous flow of business. So here, when it comes to trade clients, first we need to identify the needs and requirement of the client. Since this, in case of exim business, clients are also sometimes not much aware about the various changes which are going on in the forex market, FEMA regulations, and internationally also. So here we have to guide them as per by after assessing their needs and exposure, whether which product will be suitable for them. Suppose a customer is not having funded facility from our bank, but he is having scalable business, and if he is not aware about it, we can inform them about the pre-shipment and post-shipment credit facilities which are available at concessional rate, various schemes of government support by ECGC, and accordingly we can help them in scaling their business, and as their business will be scaling up, we will also be earning, so it will be a win-win situation
Good,
for
good,
both of us.
sufficient. Now tell me, what is your conclusion regarding this? How you think you can do very good play in this regard?
Sir, based on my experience of more than 4 years in SIB, I have worked in branch banking operations where I have handled asset and liability clients. And later on, based on my performance, I was shortlisted and selected for this RM Treasury role where I was handling the trade clients of my bank. And during my experience as a relationship manager treasury, where I was supporting export import clients of my bank, I have handled a diverse variety of transactions such as current account and capital account transactions, LRS transactions, LC issuance, and I have even onboarded a PSU account also. We used to do import transaction for Steel Authority of India. So I have a overall a rich exposure in maintaining the PSU accounts also, wherein I can increase the turnover of the bank substantially, considering the high target of the region, which is very much essential
Best
because we don't.
best wishes.
Mhm.
What do you know about Bank of Baroda's foreign exchange operations? Where they have their international division? Where what are they doing? Do you have any idea about it?
Yes, sir. Bank of Baroda is a second largest PSB in India, which is having a total business of around more than 27 lakh crores. And from out of their total advances, around 2 lakh 28,000 lakh crore advances is international advance. Their major operations, overseas operation is done through international IFSC banking unit in Gift City, Ahmedabad, wherein they are providing various facilities to importers and exporters.
Excellent. Best wishes. Thank you. You have
Thank
been
you, sir.
more or less you have covered everything. I'll stop and as a
Yes, sir.
yeah, I'll stop and the only problem is gap. Yeah.
Mhm.